All right, we're looking at a 2013 Street Glide. This bike is nice. It's only got about 2,400 miles on it. And, you know, as most Street Glides, they're just absolutely a great ride and a lot of fun to drive around. This bike happens to have CFR exhaust, and that would be a great addition to any motorcycle, of course. The CFRs sound fantastic. It also has some nice little touches, like some custom grips and the chrome switch housing. And again, very low miles. So if this is a bike that you may be interested in, go to our webpage, desertwindhd.com, and it's going to have all of the specs and the pricing as well. So take a look at that. Again, this is a 2013 Street Glide.